Everybody, welcome back to my channel. And now you are watching a 4-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, sightseeing, and facilities also. You can find lots of reviews on hotels that are given by guests to enjoy their stay.
Which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel.
Next, we talk about the reviews of this hotel. So we can see the street reviews review by the The location of the hotel is suitable and gives a range of the surroundings. Reviews of the rooms kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new to this channel or you have not subscribed our channel, then subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our